I could start if that's all right.
Oh
I
yeah.
wanted to ask you about lists, man. We are pulling like vacant, all the ones everyone on YouTube says, all the ones you say to pull. I was actually just watching your video about pulling the one like going to the whatever county in Florida and the code violations.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was trying to figure that out for two counties in my market in Kansas City. Wasn't able to figure it out, and it's like six now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and call tomorrow. Would you recommend that if I can't find out how to do it online?
For Cincinnati,
Kansas City.
Kansas City, yeah. Uh, Code enforcement, just call. I do you try to find them online?
I tried finding him online, like on the video, but it was super easy on the one I went to the website you did, and it's just on the little sidebar. But yeah, we don't have anything like that. I've been trying for like the last hour actually trying to find it.
Dude, that's good. You know that, right? That's amazing. The harder it is to get the list, the less investors and wholesalers are actually going to do it. So that's a huge benefit for you.
Hell yeah! All right. Um, I guess on prop stream though was the main question that we're really like scratching our heads. Like, we're finally able to like call consistently with a dialer, but now we're just like running out of lead lists to pull in Kansas City on prop stream. Is that like, am I just ready for a new market or am I missing something?
Dude, Kansas City's huge, man.
Yeah, right.
You're
That's what
not
I
running
figured.
out. You're not running out. You're not running out. I mean, do the counties around it, surrounding, those are
For
always
sure.
huge.
Uh-huh.
Code violations, as you know, the government list, the water shutoffs, tax delinquencies, tax lien, eviction lists. I don't know if you saw the video I did today.
Hmm.
It's going to be amazing. Pre foreclosures are going to be big now. Uh, are you in the Missouri or Kansas side?
I'm in the right in the middle, so either one, wherever we can find them.
All right, yeah. So either states are pretty good at the eviction. So that's going to be a really hot one in the future. Water shutoffs, fire damage properties. I mean, are you doing all these?
We're doing all those, man. But it's like, how many times are we recalling a list? I think that was just like to get your first deal or whatever. Like, do you just call them till they're dead, or how's that work?
I mean,
Right, for sure.
take the information where you want. I mean, here's another issue: is you're going to get info from one guy, one from the other. One guy says call it 4 times, one guy says it 3, and then you're like, oh my gosh, what do I do? Just stick to someone. Like honestly, the information, it all gets mumbled jumbled. Like it's roughly the same. So
Hmm.
what I would say, so your fire damage property list, how many leads are you getting per month?
Leads on, I mean, fire
How
damage
many?
zero so far with
Zero.
fire
You said
damage.
you're pulling it.
So we have to like call. We okay. We're not pulling it yet.
All
You
right.
can't get that on prop stream, right?
No.
You have to call the actual firehouse. Like I watched the video on doing
Yeah,
that.
man.
Uh-huh. But I
No,
mean, what are the? I mean, I feel
you're
like
asking me how if I'm running out of leads, man. You got to pull the government list, man. They are on fire, dude. You should that question should never be asked if you're doing everything I'm saying. So the government lists, you don't even have to use prop stream if you just use the government lists.
okay.
We do it all, like because it's insane. We have too many leads because I do everything. Uh, so do all of prop stream. I'm telling you, prop stream is a lot easier than the fire damage properties and the water shut off leads and the utility and the tax liens. But if you're running out of those leads, go straight to government list. I'm telling you, start with the fire damage properties, go to
Okay.
water shutoffs, go to the tax liens, pre foreclosures, eviction lists. Some guys like to do the divorce list. I don't know in your city, but divorce lists usually hit or miss in a city. So
Okay.
I'd go after those. Code enforcement, try for dollars if all else fails. But I would start going after fire damage properties. And fire damage properties, it's really hard to get the list, man. And guess,
Hmm.
guess what that means? No other wholesaler is going to have that list.
Right. Okay.
That's it, man. Take it the slight advantage in your market.
I hear you. All right. Cool. We'll do that. But I mean, like, yeah, I think that's everything.
All right, sweet, man. I appreciate it. And then what's your marketing channels using?
Just cold calling.
Sweet, man. That's all. What's your skip tracing looking like?
Batch skip.
Nice, man. Cool.
Hmm.
Keep it up, dude.
All right. Thanks, man.
Thanks. No worries. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.